Ndị be anyị nke unu na-afụgo ka akọwa gbasara ya bụ
Enugu State kwenu Igbo kwezuonu a ga-asụ Igbo ka a ga-asụ oyibo
omenala Igbo ka anyị na-eme Igbo ya aka nwa
maka ndị ọzọ bịa
ka anyị mere asụ oyibo
yes sir
ọ dị mma otu ahụ
sir
anyị pụrụ ụzọ sụọ oyibo anyị ewezi ebe gịnị
Igbo chịkọta
maka na ọ dị nnukwu mkpa
dịka ị na-esonye ọka bụ Dean Mrs. Ugochi
Dr. Peter Ndubisi
na-akọwapụtara ya gbasara mmemme iri ji nke ndị bekee kpọrọ opening remark. She is the
Speaker of Enugu
Minister of
State
Culture and
House of
Tourism.
Assembly, Engineer Uche Ubu, ably represented by the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Ezenta, Right Honorable Ezenta Ezani, the Secretary to the State Government, Professor Chidebere Onya, the Chairman of our great party, PDP, Dr. Chukwuemeka Martins, our revered royal fathers, ably led by Igwe Ogadagide Ekenenye, ndị ọhaneze, ndị ụmụ nwanyị, Akikenga, ESCO members of House of Assembly here, all the local government chairmen, Ndi Nze na ọzọ nke onye chiri biko nyezere. It is with great honor and profound joy that I welcome you all to this year's celebration of the New Yam Festival here in our beautiful state, Enugu. This day is one of deep cultural significance, not just for us in Enugu, but for all the Igbo people. It is a time when we come together to celebrate the harvest season. It is a time of thanksgiving to God and our ancestors for blessing our land with abundance and resilience. The New Yam Festival, also known as Iriji, is a reflection of our rich heritage, and it embodies our values of hard work, unity, and gratitude. Today, we are not just celebrating the harvest of yam, but also the strength and vibrancy of our traditions, which have been passed down through generations. Enugu State is blessed with fertile soil, hard-working farmers, and a thriving agricultural sector. The yam is not just a staple food for us, but a symbol of life, sustenance, and continuity. As we break and share the yam today, let us remember the importance of community, the need to support one another, and the power of working together for the common good. As Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, I am proud to say that Enugu continues to stand as a beacon of culture and tradition. Our festivals and cultural practices attract people from all over the world, showcasing the beauty and depth of our heritage. This New Yam Festival is another opportunity to strengthen our cultural tourism, bringing attention to the richness of our customs while fostering unity and economic growth. I would like to take a moment to thank our farmers who, through their tireless efforts, have ensured that we have a bountiful harvest to celebrate today. Your dedication to the land is a testament to the enduring spirit of Ndi Nze. To our elders and our traditional leaders, your wisdom and guidance keep our cultural values alive, and we honor you today as custodians of our heritage. To all the guests far and near, we are delighted to have you with us today. Your presence adds to the beauty of this celebration, and we hope that you will enjoy the festivals, the vibrant displays of our cultural performances, and of course, the delicious yam delicacy that awaits you. As we produce with the celebrations, let us do so with joy in our hearts, gratitude in our minds, and hope for a prosperous future. May this year's New Yam Festival bring us blessings of peace, prosperity, and continued unity.
Confirm.
Yes, sir.
As you can see, the opening remark from Mrs. Ugochi Madueke, the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism in Enugu State, na mmemme Iriji New Yam Festival ndị Enugu. Dịka unu na-esonye anyị, achọrọ ka unu na-atụsa ya bụ ozi ka ndị ọbụla nwee ike na-esonye n'ihe a na-eme.